Hey Aquarius, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So let's have a look at what's going on in your connection from the 10th to the 16th of January 2022. Okay, we're going to pull out some love messages for you from your person. So let's see what's going on. Let's see what this person wants to tell you. Got too many. Okay, let's do this. You make me feel precious. Let's heal this. I tried cutting my cords with you, but it didn't happen. I hear songs in my head about what you want to convey. We have to separate to gain more wisdom. I will wait for divine timing to unite us. And how do I move forward? Okay. Bottom of the deck, we have with us, there is no end. Okay. So we're going to have a look at the past, present, and future energies for Aquarius and the person they're dealing with from the 10th to the 16th of January 2021. I'm going to shuffle. Okay, overall energy, 5 of Wands. Okay, so those are fights, conflicts. You both are not on the same page. All right, let's see what happened in the past. 10 of Wands. Okay, so there was a situation here where I think something was a very big burden on you. Okay, you kind of chose to release the situation that was too much for you. You chose a new direction, and it's almost like you put your foot down. Like, you know what? I'm not having this. I'm not having this for sure, and I want it my way. I want something traditional. I want something which has a lot of stability and security. All right. Right now we have the Justice, Wheel of Fortune, and the King of Swords. So there is an opportunity here. Okay, probably with an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Someone wants to make things right with you. They want to set things right with you here, and there is an opportunity here which is very much a part of your fate and destiny. Okay, that's coming in. If you don't take this up, then you lose the opportunity here. In the future, with the Empress, the Chariot, and the Seven of Wands, I feel that for a lot of you here, okay, there are chances it will be a missed opportunity, okay, because you guys are coming off as someone probably very cold, okay, you're cutting this person off because there are chances you don't trust this person for a few of you. But let's see, I do feel that you're going to be very focused on yourself, your growth, okay, and you will probably choose to move away from this person. Let's find out. Fly for the Emperor. Okay. All right, the Emperor. So the Emperor is clarified by the Seven of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, and the Page of Wands. Yeah. So like I said, right, there was a situation here that was very, very confusing. This person here probably kept you as an option, okay, or this person here was just confusing you, okay. They never really told you where you really stood in their life, and they were holding back. So even though you were holding on to this connection out here, you just chose to let it go. All right, more like I do love you, I realize that, but I gotta do what is best for me, okay, because this confusion was stressing you out, it was overwhelming you. Let's see. In the current situation, let's see what's the Wheel of Fortune. What's this opportunity? There's a big shift out here. That's the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, there is someone coming rushing in towards you, okay, in the current situation here, who wants to work things out with you. This is someone here who probably has stressed you out and is also going to probably give you a lot of sleepless nights again. You're going to be losing sleep over this person because this person now wants to come in towards you and wants to collaborate and make things right out here. What's the King of Swords in the current situation? Yeah. So I do feel here that this person out here, I feel that you could be moving towards new love and you're cutting this person out, you know. I feel you're focusing on new love. You're changing the way you think about this person here. There is an opportunity here to probably have a new beginning with someone else, okay? Or a new beginning in love with this person out here, but you're choosing to just hold back. It's like you are getting what you want, Aquarius, in short. Like I said, this is how it was supposed to play out. You're getting what you want here, but I just feel you're just making a decision to hold back. Like I said, you have trust issues here. You don't think this person here is wanting to set things right. You feel they're wanting to repeat the same pattern out here. Because see, in the past year with the Ten of Wands here, it is a situation where you felt you were taking up a lot of the responsibilities of the connection while this person was doing nothing. You were reaching out, you were making plans, you did everything out here, and this person either didn't appreciate you or they didn't put in the work out here. And you're like, I'm done. It was like an end, releasing of an uphill battle out here. In the future, no, fly for the Empress in the future. Someone out here, okay, is kind of, in the future out here is really hoping, wishing, and praying that they can have growth with you, okay? They want long term with you, they want something stable with you. But I feel you want to give it time before you invest it to this person out here, okay? This is long term investment out here. This is something that you need to invest your time, energy, and resources into, but you don't want to rush in, okay? Even though you feel hopeful about it, you don't want to rush in, okay? Which is why you're just taking a step back. Like, I'll see what it is, okay? I'm not very sure about it. But this person out here in the future definitely sees you as marriage material. Um, Fly for the Seven of Wands. Yep. See, like I said, this person out here in the future here is coming towards you, wanting to give you something long term or probably even commit to you. Okay. And they're ready to put in their time, energy, and resources into you. And there is a promise, there is a hope out here, okay, that they are having and they want to give you, okay, that no, we'll work things out, we'll be together. They're, literally wanting to take things to the next level, okay. Could be someone who's at a distance from you. But the problem here is, like I said, you're going to be cutting them off or you're going to be very, very defensive about it, and that's probably because you don't trust them. Again, with the moon out here, you feel there's a lot going on behind the scenes. You feel that this person's hiding a lot from you. This person could be someone, who you see as very inconsistent, okay? One day they're there, the next day they're not. So even though the love is there, you just don't trust them, okay? Because they're very wishy-washy, in and out here. And when they come in, they sweep you off your feet, but then the moment you have that trust in them, this person just tends to move away, okay? So you're always worrying about whether you'll be with this person or not. Like, are we doing this or not? Are we together or not? Okay, which is going to keep you feel stuck and restricted, all right? Which is why you're like, what, back off, I'm not doing this with you, I don't trust you. Fly for the Five of Wands as the overall energy for Aquarius. Fly for the Five of Wands. Yeah. So the problem here is going to happen because this person's broken your heart, right? So overall, the conflict is going to happen because this person realizes that you are their happiness. They want to take a leap of faith with you. You have a very, very strong connection to this person, okay? A very strong connection. You have the best of memories with this person. But the fight is going to be about, I don't know if I want to give this another chance, okay? Because it's going to be like, it's almost like, I don't want to be a fool again. You feel, Aquarius, that you've been a fool all this while, giving this person repetitive chances. And now this time when they're pretty serious about you, it's like, what was that story, the wolf and the lamb, the wolf and the sheep, right? When literally the boy is screaming out for help, no one trusts him because he's screwed up too many times, trying to it was like a false alarm. And this time around here, when they're serious about you, Aquarius, and it's something which is destined, okay? They're supposed to come in, this is supposed to happen out here. Now you'll realize why all this happened. Now you'll realize that you had to let this load go so that this person could be clear in their head. And it was all divine timing, Aquarius. It was all divine timing. And maybe this divine timing was supposed to teach this person your value, and it was supposed to teach you your value, Aquarius. It's all it's all a game of fate out here, okay? None of this was in your control, but they're coming in. It's going to be up to you if you want this or not, okay? But I do feel your cards are up. And it's like, no, I'm not going to love you till I don't know the 100% truth about why you're here in my life. Okay? So that's what I have for you, and hope this reading resonates. Bye bye.